Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Friday as the Dow Jones jumped by 747 points after the chairman of the Fed mentioned the central bank will take its time in raising rates in the near future. Shares in media, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, software and services, they all gained momentum, while on the economic docket, non-farm payrolls growing by 312,000 in December from 176,000 in November. Meanwhile, the unemployment rate increasing to 3.9% in December. This as advancers ahead of decliners, 97% of S&P 500 constituents trading higher that day. Now, taking a look at what happened after the markets closed, Eli Lilly will buy Loxo Oncology for about $8 billion in cash. The company will pay $235 for each Loxo Oncology share, or a 68% premium over the company's Friday closing price. The transaction expected to close by the end of the current quarter. Turning overseas, Asian markets up today. The Nikkei up 2.44%. The Hang Seng up 0.82%. China CSI 300 up 0.61%. South Korea's Kospi up 1.34%. European markets losing ground and U.S. futures calling for a mixed start. Now, in terms of expectations today, there's no major earnings, but on the economic docket, 10 o'clock in the morning has factory orders and durables data postponed by the government shutdown, but 10 o'clock in the morning has ISM non-manufacturing. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 sees further advance. The Nasdaq sees further upside, while the Dow Jones sees further upside and is in focus. The relative strength index advocates for further advance. Long positions above 23,220 are favored, with targets at 23,620 and 23,850 an extension.